Good morning everyone from Carlisle station on the east coast, on the west coast main line, where I'll be here for like the next 7 hours doing some more spotting at my go-to station. Our first train of the day is 390138, and it is 1S39, 1 Sierra 39 from Birmingham New Street to Glasgow Central. And so I'll be here for the next few hours, next 7 or so hours doing some spotting on my go-to station on the west coast main line. The name of the train is City of London. So I'll be here for the next 7 hours getting some more trains. I was expecting to see an excursion train today, but it doesn't look like it's going ahead today. Last minute cancellation, I think. So if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please like, watch, subscribe to my channel please. I very much appreciate it. It doesn't cost anything at all. Just give it a thumbs up and start subscribing. Thank you very much. Our second train of the day is 397002 with 1 Sierra 41, 1S41 from Liverpool Lime Street to Glasgow Central. Next we have 397001 with 1 Sierra 38, 1 S38 from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh. Our next one today is 66571 with a light engine movement from Carlisle Network Yard to Tyne Yard Service sorting sidings. So it's 60 Echo 48 0E48 from Carlisle Network Yard to Tyne sorting sidings at Tyne Yard. Our next train that we have is a double-headed Class 88 and it is 88001 Revolution and 88006 Juno with 4S43, 4 Sierra 43 from Daventry to Coatbridge with a Tesco Intermodal service. Sierra 43, 4S43 from Daventry to Coatbridge. It was a double-headed Class 88, so it was 88001 Revolution and 88006 Juno. Next we have 66790, which is a GBRF Class 66 on loan to Carlisle, and the name of the train is Louise, and it is 6S48, 6 Sierra 48 from the port of Workington to Aberdeen Waterloo with an empty China Clay train. Our next train that we have today is 390129, City of Stoke on Trent, with 9S44, 9 Sierra 44, from London Euston to Edinburgh. Calling a Haymarket in Edinburgh. Next we have 397 Audible 1. 397 Audible 1 with 1 Mike 86, 1 M86 from Glasgow Central to Manchester Airport. That one was giving off a lot of horn abuse there. A lot of tones on there. Next we have 66425 with 6 kilo 05, 6 kilo 05 from Carlisle Network Yard to Basement Hall, to Crew Basement Hall, to Crew Basement Hall Yard. And it's carrying ballast train, sand and ballast. Our next train that we have today is 390046 with 1 Mike 12, 1 M12 from Glasgow Central to London Euston. Next we have 390130 with 9S54, 9 Sierra 54 from Euston to Edinburgh. Name of the train is City of Edinburgh. Well, that's quite rather fitting because it's going to Edinburgh. 9 Sierra 54 from Euston to Edinburgh. The next one that we have is, let's find out, it is 70803 with 6 Juliet 37, 6J37 from Carlisle Yard to Chercrow span, and this is at got wooden logs on it again. This is wooden logs. Next we have 397002 with one Mike 75, one M75 from Glasgow Central to Liverpool Lime Street. This was actually the same unit that we saw earlier on 1 Sierra 41 from Liverpool Lime Street to Glasgow Central, which is now returning back down to Liverpool Lime Street as one Mike 75. The next train that we have is 397001 with one Mike 87, one M87 from Edinburgh to Manchester Airport. This was actually also the same unit that we saw earlier on 1 Sierra 38 from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh, which is now returning back to Manchester Airport with one Mike 87. Our next service that we have is 158753 with one Echo 65, one E65 from Carlisle to Leeds via the Settle and Carlisle line. Our next train that we have is 390126 with one Sierra 52, one S52 from London Euston to Glasgow Central. It's one Sierra 52, one S52 from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Next we have 390016 with one Mike 13, one M13 from Glasgow Central to London Euston. It's Railway 200. Our next train that we have is 390047 with 9 Sierra 55, 9 S55 from London Euston to Glasgow Central. And this came via the Birmingham West Midlands branch. next we have 390129 with 9 Mike 56, 9 M56 from Edinburgh to London Euston via the West Midlands and Birmingham. This is actually the same Pendolino that we saw on 9 Sierra 44 a couple of hours ago on the Euston to Edinburgh service. And it is City of Stoke-on-Trent. Here we have 66571 returning from Tyne, sorting sidings back to Carlisle network yard with 6 Mike 47, 6 M47, and this one's carrying sleepers. Sleepers. Our next one that we have is 66066 Jeff Spencer with OZ71 0 Zulu 71 from Millham to Carlisle network yard. Next we have 66308 66308 Signalman Willie Taylor with 4 Sierra 57, 4S 57 from Hams Hall to Ross End Euro Terminal. And this will be our last train of the day. And this video will be uploaded in the next couple of hours, and I hope you like and watch and enjoy my video later on. If you're not subscribed, please put a thumbs up on the video, like, watch and subscribe please, it doesn't cost anything at all. I hope you enjoy it, and see you all later. As soon as this train pulls out, it will be bye for now, and see you later when the video is uploaded.